Hey, so I know this is very random. I said I know this is very random, but I saw you walking by. You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
And I had to introduce myself.
What?
I had to say hello to introduce myself. Hello. So my name's Kieran. Okay, you look like Colombian, Venezuelan, Spain. I'm English. I'm a writer from England. I'm just living in Bali while writing my next book. Now, yeah, novels. I write novels. Yeah, and I am learning Portuguese. Brazilian Portuguese. I know, but since I started learning Portuguese, I now understand some Spanish.
It's similar because it's
Very.
the same historical...
Exactly, this is my point, and it's nuts. I was in Playa del Carmen, Mexico, right? And I saw a woman and she had a shop. And at the front it said, bebidas. And I was like, oh shit, she's got drinks. See what I mean? You have a kind of very laid-back surfer girl kind. You look like a surfer.
Surfer?
Yeah, do you surf?
No, I used to arrive here to Bali, so I still having a lot of things to do. I never surfed before that.
Ah, so are you on holiday or are you living here? I don't know. I will see. Let's go for a coffee.
I drink matcha.
Let's go for matcha.
But now?
Yeah.
Can I give you my Instagram or something for the afternoon time? Because I'm studying my master's online, and in 1 hour I have to be studying, and I still having to do things. So
It will take 5 minutes. There's a coffee shop right down there.
Where?
Like literally just down here. I'll give you a list.
And they have matcha?
Yes. I mean, probably.
I only drink matcha, eh?
Yeah, only matcha. I'll tell you what, this is what we'll do. We will go. If they have no matcha, then you can leave.
Okay.
And I will leave too.
Okay.
Alright. So, what do you think of Bali?
I love it.
Yes, me too. Yesterday. I could tell you were new. I could tell that you were either a tourist or very new to Bali. You want to know how? Because you're walking.
I love walking.
Yes, but nobody walks in Bali unless they're a tourist or new. So, that's like, yes, this girl needs some sort of help. Hold on, yeah, right here.
I also drink coffee.
So, not only matcha. Matcha and coffee.
I was looking for a good matcha. I'm from Valencia, but I live in
Valencia. I'm from Valencia. Valencia. You have very strong accents.
Yeah, I know. In all the languages, I have very strong Spanish accent, and I try that. It's impossible.
No, but I own it though. Own it. You know, it's you.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name? Oh, you're Spanish. Oh, you speak Spanish. You're from a Spanish-speaking country? No?
I'm Georgian.
Okay.
It's small country.
Oh, that's near Russia, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I was completely wrong. So now you know, don't listen to me. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Okay. Nothing I say, yeah. I am not very smart. So it's clear, right? Not very clever. Nice for my contact. I thought you looked really interesting. So I had to introduce myself.
Yeah.
How's it going?
It's good. It's going well.
Yeah? My name's Kieran. Okay, you're like Spanish, Italian, something like this. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, but I'm from Belgium.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here's the thing. So I'm from London.
Yeah.
And I swear like maybe 40% of the women I've dated have always been Italian.
Oh, I'm so sorry for that, but...
You're married?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm engaged.
So when did you get engaged?
2 years ago.
Okay, well I'm happy for you.
Sorry?
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
I hope you guys have a fantastic life together.
Thank you for your
approach.
Yeah, it's really.
No worries. It's good to meet you.
Really nice.
Have a great life.
Come now, you got this. You got this. You got this. Yes. Yes. Wow, good form. Yes. Yes. Come on. 6. You still got strength. You can do 10. 7. Yes.